It's your boy W from Sweden, and today we are going to be going into the Armory Pass and spending a lot of stars to open 200 of the train collection. Hopefully we get the oblong-dong. Very nice. Today we're joined by Lime. You still have the tag on? We're joined by Sams.
No, not just me.
Oh, Minecraft, Steve, Zombie.
Is he in a prison outfit and not black? That's full RP.
Fail RP.
We are also joined by Admiral and Victor, but they don't have cameras because they are naked.
I'm fed.
Yes.
I'm on another Steam account.
Who's that black guy?
Kanye West. I had my friends, like I said for the last Armory Pass update, farm a lot of stars, and they farmed them, and I still have some of those stars, so I'm gonna spend them today all on the train collection.
All of them?
Yes. I want the AWP, I want the M4, I want the Zeus and the Whiteout. And now we're... Oh, I opened already. Oh, I was gonna thank the sponsor first, and I fumbled.
Yeah, we can still recover it. Who's today's sponsor?
Oh, look what we opened! Today's sponsor, CS Money! CS Money is a trusted CS2 marketplace and trading site, and they're doing a limited spring sale event right now. And for the spring event, there's 10 days left where they're offering 20% discount in their marketplace section, with a total of over 1 million skins listed that have instant delivery. They've also got discounts on trade mode, with prices being up to 50% cheaper than the Steam marketplace. Of course, they also have all the new skins from the Armory Pass in both trade and market mode, so if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you CS Money for sponsoring this video. And now let's open the train collection. Okay, so that was a slight fumble here. We opened this one. Whoop him. Whoop. Hey! 2B2T, the world's oldest anarchy Minecraft server. Field tested.
So getting the long dog is basically like getting like the desert hydra or something like that, right?
Almost. It's actually not.
It's actually not. It's actually not.
Victor, by the way, no, the long dong is actually a little more common. It's about a 1 in 700 chance. Meanwhile, the desert hydra, I think, is a 1 in like 3.7 thousand. Whoop! Whoa! Copper fiber. Oi! Oh, steel sentinel again. Oi! Another blue. Run, run, run. Oh, the women when they see me in a dark alley. Sam's dad to Sam's mom colorized.
Stabbing lime on the camera. Oh, no, look at
Please.
Wait, I'm underneath him,
Yo.
Whoop him! Oh, what happened? Glitch. Hey, green line. This is the train. Coincidentally, what me and Sam's run on Lime's dad. Whoa! Oh, yes! Zeus! Charged up! Actually, that's one we wanted. No, it's so scratched. Oh, this is gonna be field tested, isn't it? Yeah, field tested. That's still good. I'm still happy with it. Surely this has to be expensive. It's €4.
Oh.
Please, the long dong. Oi. Me on grinder. Huh. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
What's up, gang?
Oh, hello, Fury. Are you a dad yet?
No.
But you're daddy for me. Come Discord.
Damn.
What? Why the fuck is Lime all dressed up?
Bro, we're all. Do you know why we're dressed up?
No?
For this.
Oh.
Agartha portal open, summoning ritual. Damn. Fury, you have to help us get the red now, okay? Late night transit. We haven't had this one yet. I hate this fucking skin, by the way. It's different train stations, right? With different maps. Look at the maps. Lake, we don't have that. Sugarcane, we don't have that. Cobble, we don't have that. Overpass, yeah, we have that. Canals, we don't have that. Dude, more than half of these maps on this fucking skin we don't have in the game.
It's not Valve made, the skin.
Actually, wait, let me get your fucking eyebrow. Wait, actually, it's not Valve made?
Literally, your buttons are about to pop.
Bro, okay, bro.
I see a piece of skin there.
Yeah, that's what the bitches say when I pull out my wang. Boom!
When you pull out your long dong, now you're gonna get it. Bro, opening these are so boring because you see the same skins over and over.
Yeah, right?
Just like
Like, you know it's...
Oh! Yes! Latte rush! Bro,
Battle scar. That's so battle
oh
scar.
my god, I just saw it. You weren't kidding, my buttons are actually gonna explode.
Michelin, man.
Fuck! You know why this skin is cool?
No.
Because the mag, it's all glitter. Good thing my skin doesn't have any of the mag left. 0.95!
Damn.
Start your morning right. Yeah, me in the morning waking up, cursing God that I'm still alive, and then jerking off. Whoop! Oi! Mac 10 derailment.
That
Okay.
one looks so much better. What the fuck?
Field tested. Yeah, this one, like, compare these two. This is the pink. Ah, yes. And compared to the purple, this one is actually, like, colorful. That's pretty cool. Last one on this guy's account. Are we ready? Fury, because you just came home. Oh, up there.
Oh my
Your camera went a different
It
color.
went green and purple. Oh my god, POV, what do you see when you wake up from the chloroform? You just... Okay, I'm just gonna open it.
Did you not open it?
Ah, first account, 75 of them opened. Best skin we got was the Latte Rush. Let me change account and then we keep going. Okay, we have 200 stars on Alex's
Oh,
account.
do we? It'd be cool if we could see.
Shut your cute mouth.
Shut your cute deep throat. Able mouth.
Mouse. In any day your wife's giving birth, Fury, this is how you're spending your time. 3, 2, 1, wham! Okay.
Oh, here we go again. You do it then.
Oh, 2BTT, the one's oldest mining anarchy server.
What?
Hey! Wait, please be better than field tested this time. Oh, factory new! Yes, this is actually a skin that I will keep and use. Please, 0.00. Okay, 0.061, it's barely even factory new, but I'll take it. It is 11.9 euro. Like, who buys the armory pass? What, Pam?
I'm leaving, bro. Fuck you.
Why?
Do something cool and I'll stay.
Okay.
If this one is the op, I will take out my penis.
Fuck! Fury dick when he grips it too hard, looking like cheek köfte.
Now what are you doing with my stars?
Hello, Alex. Well, I'm getting rinsed, buddy. Like, bro, I've opened now almost all your stars, Alex, and we're getting cooked. So far, we got one skin that's worth 11 euro.
I keep it or I leak your IP.
Like, oh yeah, so what?
Look! It looks like a train!
Are you fucking retarded?
Smartest fucking Turk.
Smartest Turk.
You regained consciousness like yesterday.
Legit. Whoa! Oh. Whoa! Hey! What the fuck?
Oh,
We have
so
so
many
many
blocks.
trains now. How is Alex writing to himself? Alex is writing. Wait, whose account is this? What the fuck happened?
Yo. Boys, I'm head out.
Bye-bye,
Fucking ugly Turk.
Wapam. Last one, Alex. Okay, well, we ended on a blue. It's better than nothing. Okay, well, that's pretty shit. Next account. Hello, gentlemen. We're back. We're on a new account now. That actually took way longer than expected because there were some slight
took over an
issues.
hour.
It did take over an hour, but now we're back. Okay. Oh, shit, Victor, you're still here? I know you haven't said anything for 8 years. How you doing, Victor?
I
Kiss
fell
me
asleep.
right now. We still need the long dong, which is something I've been telling myself since birth. Wabam! Yeah. Aw. I just want to let everyone know we took an hour trying to fix this shit so I could open these now, and all of this to get just the... Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Alex! You're hell scary! No fucking way! Alex! You're fucking hell scary!
Yo.
Yes! No fucking way! What the fuck? It's the best thing you can get! Alex, I've been opening these collections and souvenirs and everything for fucking 10 years. I've only gotten pink as the best 2 times.
No, that's crazy. It's on my account though.
No!
They're just gonna frame this picture.
There's no fucking way. Oh my god, wait! Victor, you are so fucking smart. Bro!
Oh my god.
How much is it worth though?
I have no idea. Okay, guys, wave. 3, 2, 1. Boom! No way. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. The first picture is a little cooked. Look, it's just the flash. You can kind of see the orb.
That's crazy though. If you've opened, like you've never gotten a red before.
No,
Like,
I have opened a collection. Sure, like this one is a little less rare than the previous ones, but it's still absolutely insane. I've never opened a red from any collection ever. This is the first time.
In before back to back.
It looks pretty good.
Are you ready? Boom! Well worn. What? That's so rare.
Congratulations. You can
thank
never
you.
sell this.
No.
thank you.
I can legit never sell this one. What, Alex?
Did you make your money back on getting that by
No.
paying us?
Oh
for
my god,
selling?
are you eating the plate, Alex? Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie, this one is pretty cheap, but that's so fucking cool. Dude, Alex, your loadout is crazy. You don't have a single skin for anything other than the AWP long dog. We're gonna go to long dog, and we're gonna pull out the long dog. I'm so happy. We quite literally can't beat that in this video, because we opened...
Apart from
Back to back, back to back.
Boom.
Back to back.
this one, and then boom, yoink.
Okay, never mind.
I can't believe we got that. I'm just gonna spend your stars, Alex. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
We're never gonna do this again.
Speed run them.
Yeah. We literally got nothing else, but it doesn't matter because we got the long dog, bro. That was 200 train collection openings, and we happened to get the long dog. Sadly, it's well worn, but I don't care, bro. I opened this myself. Alex, virtual handshake. Damn. Oh my god, keep shaking, Alex. You lime! This is the first video ever where we open collections that's actually been a W and we get the thing we're looking for. So now I'm gonna go be happy because finally we actually did it. I'm gonna pretend this mouse is Lime's dad's balls. Ah!